Welcome to DRR channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about role of plants in climate responsive design and landscaping. Let's start with the types of climate. First one is macroclimate. Macroclimate is the regional climates that are characterized as very cold, hot humid climate, hot and dry climate, and cold and wet climate, etc. Second is microclimate. Microclimate is the climate which immediately surrounds the buildings. Then plant categories. Plant materials are usually grouped into 5 main categories like trees, shrubs, vines and espalier, ground covers, tough grasses. These are the main categories of plant. Let's discuss it. First is trees. Trees are the dominant visual and physical elements in the landscape. They play a major role in defining and enclosing outdoor space. Trees are most notably defined by their size, shape, and number of trunks. Any vertical plant material over 15 feet high could be considered as a tree. With a single trunk and some form of crown head, it would be almost certainly be classified as a tree. Second is shrubs. Shrubs are the similar than trees and typically have many stems. Shrubs are the most human scale plant in the landscape and being at a near eye level. Shrubs usually define the wall of outdoor rooms and often act as individual accents. Third is vines and espaliers. Vines are the plant that climb by twining system and utilizing tendrils. They lie flat against a wall or will spread horizontally across a trees. The majority of desert vines are fast growers. Vines survive a very useful purpose in that they provide in tight spaces and grow in limited soil areas where it would be vertically impossible to locate other types of plant material. Fourth one is ground covers. Ground cover is any plant that grows over an area of ground. Ground covers provide protection of topsoil from erosion. In an ecosystem, the ground cover forms a layer of vegetation that is known as a ground cover. Fifth is tough grasses. It is more than just an artificial grass solution. It is high quality European grass made from innovative materials. This results in blades of grass that remain flexible, multi-tone color combination, a strong reduction in solar reflection, fiber that are color fast and UV resistant. Then, how plants affect microclimate? Like plants absorb solar radiation, decreases earth temperature, reduce dust, air movement and air filtration, decreases soil erosion, increase water amount in soil, and the most important is provide soil with organic fertilizers, and the last one is absorb gases, control solar radiation. Trees, ground covers, troughs and vines are the great device for controlling sunlight. Plants absorb heat, provide shades and create insulation. They absorb the sun's heat during the day and release it at night. Cooling daytime temperature and deciduous trees should be placed close to the wall for maximum winter sun exposure, and this tree is most important during summertime and wintertime for controlling solar radiation. Evergreen plants that can be provided in hot and dry climates. Neem trees average height of 15 to 20 meters and gum arabic trees average heights of 10 to 15 meters. Wind protection. Wind can control real and perceived air temperature. Wind may be intercepted, diverted by observations such as buildings, wall, fences, landform and plants. Plants can control wind by observation, guidance, deflection and filtration. Modifying humidity. Moisture in the form of rain, fog, dew and snow is intercepted and radiated to some degree by plant. The amount of rainfall that reaches the ground varies according to the ambient plant species. The intensity and duration of rainfall and the structure of the trees can vary. Then the last step is plants selection consideration. Tropical rainforest like tall trees, flat crown, broad leaves, and the temperate forest, medium heights, round crown, broad leaves. And the last one is cold areas, very tall, cone, shaped, needle-like leaves. These are all about the role of plants in climate responsive design and landscaping. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.